Oh my God, guys, we hear you. All right, we heard you about the VHS effect, and while we still want to do some retro inspired stuff, we are gonna try to format it a little differently. I thought the best way to do that would be to get rid of a lot of the fuzz that everybody complained about in the last video. How do you do that? Well, with a VHS head cleaner, of course. I have this 1985 VHS head cleaner right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to take it and we're going to insert the little droplets right into the fabric portion. You know, that's going to clean the heads up, get rid of some of those tracking errors that were really distracting you guys last time. So we do that, and I think all we do is just insert it into the player now. Once we insert it in the player, we press play, and voila! That's a lot cleaner, guys. All done. Just tell us if you like the adjustments that we've made. We're gonna do it retro style, but a little bit more clear, a little bit of less fuzz, but still kind of keep that feel for this series. So we'll kind of work on that. I'm out here today. It's Rose's birthday. I'm gonna meet her to go get a tattoo, and I have to decide which 88 fastback do I want to take today. Do I want to take the V8 or the new 88 GT that we bought for $400? Well, you know, let's just take the new one. I gotta go get Rose, so hopefully I don't have any problems and hopefully I don't break down, but if I do, you guys are there. You guys may remember that last time this car did not start. But bypassing the clutch safety switch quickly took care of that. All right, I'm parked at the bank to go grab some money for a tattoo artist. And I try and go to the ATM and, well, looks like someone got real mad here. Jeez, all right, we made it to the tattoo shop. Rose is supposedly inside. I picked her up a bunch of snacks, you know, so she doesn't pass out during the session. And let's just go see what they're up to. Oh my goodness, there's crazy traffic here. Oh God. Ah. The Fiero's door is really wide. Hard to park with a two-door car with a really big door on the side of a busy street. I mean, that's all two-door cars, but I kind of forget when I'm sitting in a family car. Plus the Fiero is really low. I do the other thing that I typically do is grab things from the passenger side so that I don't get injured trying to climb out the driver. Okay. Okay, the bag ripped. Hey, this is freaking comical.
Alright guys, so you guys are probably wondering, what the hell, Lightspeed? What are you gonna be doing with this 88 GT? I'm just gonna put it out there, guys. We're gonna be dailying this 88 GT for the next 30 days. We're gonna do everything with it. We're gonna put a car seat in it. We're gonna take it to the grocery store. I'm gonna run errands with it. Alex is gonna run errands with it. He's gonna drive to and from work. Well, what the hell is so special about that? But a lot of people really don't just daily their Fieros. This is gonna be the Lightspeed's daily driver for the next 30 days. In winter, oh my, yeah, mind you, we live in the Pacific Northwest and it's kind of not really wet outside right now, but like we're expecting snow this next week, so that's gonna be exciting. Constantly getting rain. It rains like once a day here, at least like 9 months out of the year.
I'm sure people have bought a $400 car, but how many people have bought a $400 car that they have put absolutely $0 in, that they could just get out and daily drive, and then What a car.
It's cute. It's dirty. She dirty. But we love her already.
We're gonna clean it.
Yeah, the car is actually in really immaculate condition considering the fact that you're like, it was $400. It's probably terrible.
Well, how many miles does this car have on it, hon?
Wasn't it? It was like 200,000, right?
230,000.
Yeah, 230,000. Just like any $400 car you're about to buy.
I don't know how many people are in Portland that watch the channel. We got 2,000 subscribers.
2,000?
Yeah.
That's good.
Well, we might have 2,000 by the end of the day. We got like 1980. Ironic.
I think you should cut it off in 1987 or 80.
Yeah, it was like no more subscribers. Sorry.
We're going to start another channel. You can come on to that one. This is it.
We're full up.
Yeah.
How am I gonna put the vase?
I think if you turn this on its end, maybe, or
Let's do it against the seat.
right in the front. Maybe.
Because we have adjustable seats, so we can adjust it into
Oh yeah, there
the
you go.
thing.
Do you have it?
I got it. Hold the camera.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Aha!
Yeah, there you
Oh,
go.
that's something. And then there was a bag. Rose's presents.
There you go.
All right, we can do this.
That's fine, isn't it?
Fine. And the
As long as things don't fall onto the flowers.
I think that I can avoid that. That's a good thought, though. Okay, day one. First drive of the 30 days of daily driving this $400 Fiero GT. We have successfully got all of Rose's presents from my mom back to my house, and I haven't spilled any water from the flower pot. Yep. One successful Fiero adventure, many to come. You think we need to go get gas?
Yes. Now we need to go and get the gas.
Do you like sitting in the front seat, hon?
Yeah.
Is it more fun than sitting in the back?
It's not fun sitting in the back.
Obviously.
Because I only want to sit in the seat.
Do you like driving in the Fiero?
Yeah. And I love the white Fiero. I love this Fiero. I love this Fiero, Dad. But where are we going, Dad?
We're going to the store to get Lydia a birthday present.
Yeah. This is... I said...
This is a gas station, hon.
Yeah, but it's the wrong gas station.
Why is it the wrong gas station?
I didn't want to go to this one. Because this one's the wrong one.
We need fuel for the car to run.
One.
We're almost to the store.
Like this.
Hey, Infinity.
What?
Are you excited to be in the next video?
Yeah.
Like the families I see on that YouTube? Like Ryan and what's the other family called?
A for Albie.
You want to be like that?
Yeah. There's a girl. Plop, plop, plop.
God, I am so much lower than the other vehicles. And I gotta let my daughter out. It's raining out here, hon.
Hey, I'm stuck.
You ready? Okay, it's really wet, so climb out of the Fiero and don't step in the puddle. Okay, do you need a hand? It's a lot, yeah. Yeah, I'll put your hoodie on. Okay, let's go. Can you remember where we parked? Look at the car. Okay, okay, cool. All right, is the door gonna open for you? Okay, good. You picked out Forky, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I have
What is it?
all the chocolate present? Thank you, Dad.
Oh, you're welcome, hun.
You're the best.
I try. We gotta get ready, and we gotta find the Fiero. Do you think we can find it? Okay, let's go. Let's go look for the Fiero. Let's do it. I don't see it anywhere in the parking lot. I'm looking. Well, I still don't see the Fiero. Oh my gosh, it was hiding behind all these big, huge cars. That was ridiculous. Oh God, I gotta unlock the door. It's raining. Okay. Oh God, don't fall in the bushes. I know the door's big. Climb inside, put that on the floor.
Ew, ew, look at all the rain. You're gonna die, you're gonna die.
Okay. Finn, I don't know about you, but I am way wetter than I would be if we were in any of our four-door vehicles with keyless entry and small doors and higher seats. You know, from not being able to find the car to having to unlock both doors individually with the key to then you not being quite able to get into the car because the door is so wide. It sounds silly, but it's kind of a little bit crazy. I don't normally drive my Fiero in the rain. I have much respect for all of you that are going to comment below and are like, oh, I daily drive my Fiero in the super big snow and all the rain and all the stuff. And I'm like, look, it was really easy when I was 18 years old. I drove my Fiero through high school. I drove it all the time. I just jumped in and out, but I was 100 pounds lighter and it was a different time and I didn't have any kids and I could put 3 girls in the passenger seat or whatever. It's actually way harder to get my daughter into this car than 3 girls in the passenger seat. First drive.
Okay, so guys, this is gonna be my first drive in the 88 GT. I'm going to go buy some makeup at the mall. Very typical girl thing to do, something I would probably do on any other day, but I'm gonna be taking the Fiero for a ride. So, I'll see you guys on the other side. Okay, you guys, so gone into the mall, I got my makeup, I got some coffee because I only had like 1 cup today. Me in the middle of ordering is thinking, Rose, you can't get a coffee. There's no freaking cup holder in the car. So I'm gonna take a moment to drop a link right here. You guys go click on this video. If you guys don't know how to put a cup holder in your Fiero, I did a nice little like really quick like tutorial on how you can get a cup holder in your Fiero, so go check that out. As for me, I'm like a 3 shots of espresso kind of girl, so I'm gonna chug this and I'm gonna drive home. So I drove from Vancouver to Washington Square Mall, which is in Tigard, Oregon, and the terminal on the battery, the positive terminal on the battery, see, I had to touch it, is loose or something. Alex was explaining it to me. I couldn't get the car started, so after I like stopped, I went to go start the car, and then I couldn't start the car, so I had to call Alex and he had to tell me what to do. People were staring at me like I was some strange girl in the parking lot adjusting her battery and stuff. So now I'm driving home, and hopefully I don't get this Nita Lightspeed Fiero logo hoodie dirty with my hands. Let's go.
All right, guys, it's late on day 3. My friend has asked me to borrow some car ramps that are kind of wet and outside. I gotta go and get back really quickly. The car seat's still in it. So I'm gonna see if I can fit these ramps in here without damaging the interior. Car ramp. barely. Okay, well, that might work. He also said, bring my boots. Holy crap, guys, I wish I was making this up, but the car literally just stalled coming down the hill, and then I went to restart it, and that damn loose battery cable got me, and all power left the car. And it was the middle of, I mean, it's dark, you know? So I had to run outside the car before anybody hit us, and open the deck lid, and then wiggle the battery cable. I'm gonna fix that battery cable right away, Jesus. And then start the car before anybody ran into me. Also, the headlights don't work unless they're on the brights. So that's been interesting. But I did deliver the ramps, so that's good. More on that later. Let it be known that I'm Alex Lightspeed, and I'm a ridiculous man that is trying to drive this Fiero in winter with half worn out studded tires. Oh, what? All right.
Alright guys, that's going to be it for this week's VHS Diaries. If you liked any of the changes we made, if you didn't like any of the changes we made, please leave some commentary down below so we can keep listening to you guys. We'll be releasing one video a week. There's going to be a 4-part, maybe 5-part series. Don't forget, if you would like to support our build with the Project LSJ Fiero, you guys can go to our Etsy shop and buy some merchandise from us. We have some t-shirts there, we have hoodies available. Yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Oh, before you leave, don't forget to rewind this so that the next person who watches it can watch it from the beginning, okay? It's a VHS Diary. You gotta rewind it, okay? See you next week.